friends. Welcome to my channel. This is Curly Willow Acres. This is my home. This is this is Charlie. I didn't realize he was in the picture. It's my daughter's dog, but I think we share custody of him. I'm sorry. Welcome to my channel, Curly Willow Acres. I'm Corrine. I love all things decorating, gardening, cooking, animals, obviously. And thrifting and flipping things. So if you like all that stuff, be sure to subscribe and stay here. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and it doesn't cost you anything, and helps my channel to grow, and I would appreciate it so much. This week we are going to share. I am going to share my bedroom refresh. If you remember, I had that one wall that was all blank. If you've seen my bedroom video, I'll try to link it below. That was in that was in my home tour. You'll be able to see it in my home tour, late summer home tour that I can link below for you too. And in the bedroom, I showed you the one long wall, and I said I was going to build a shelf to go there. So I did. I built a scalloped shelf, and I think it turned out cute, and it looks really nice. The only thing is I'm wondering about adding pegs to the bottom of it. If you think I should, let me know, or if you think it's good like it is, let me know. Either way, you guys never steer me wrong. I always love your input and stuff, and it's always on point for me. You guys sometimes, I think, know me better than I do. But I'm going to share my bedroom refresh. I got it all clean. You're going to see a mess at first. I'm showing you the real thing. It was a mess. I got a new nightstand to capture all my clutter, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And got the closet cleaned out. Got a chandelier hung in the closet now. And of course, with me, it's not ever done. I'll find something else to do. But for right now, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the simplicity of it. I think it's simple, but somebody else might think I have too much stuff. But either way, I'm loving it. And I hope you guys do too. Let me know if you think I should put pegs on the bottom of the shelf or not, or leave it as is. Thanks so much for stopping by.